Hey folks, as we know that, SciSpace is an AI-powered research platform designed to help academics and researchers work smarter. It streamlines literature reviews, summarizes complex papers, and offers tools for writing, citation management, and collaboration, all in one place. SciSpace just rolled out some major updates. It has expanded its tools and added new features to help researchers save even more time. Let's dive in and check them out.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
To access the official SciSpace website, simply click the link provided in the description. This will take you directly to the platform's homepage. SciSpace is an advanced AI assistant designed to streamline your everyday research tasks. Whether you're generating literature reviews, citing studies, or managing any other aspect of academic research, this tool is built to accelerate your workflow and enhance productivity. Today, I want to focus on 5 major updates that have recently been released. Let's start with the first and perhaps most impactful, the combined Papertable feature. Here's a quick walkthrough of how you can use this new update. Imagine you want to find papers on the causes of global warming. You simply enter your prompt, and SciSpace begins searching across its vast database, home to over 240 million research papers. The tool first scans its own collection, focusing on open-access, full-text articles. It then extends the search to external databases like Google Scholar, PubMed, and Archive. Once the search is complete, you'll see a summary of the results. For example, SciSpace might retrieve 100 papers from its own database, 100 from Google Scholar, 20 from PubMed, and 20 from Archive. The real innovation comes with the Combined and Re-rank results feature. When you activate this, SciSpace selects the top 30 papers from each database and re-ranks them based on relevance. The final results are presented in a clear, prioritized list. Each paper is assigned a relevance score, say 100 out of 100 for the most pertinent studies. What's particularly helpful is that SciSpace also provides the reasoning behind each ranking, so you can understand why a paper was prioritized. This transparency is invaluable for researchers who need to justify their sources. By consolidating and ranking results from multiple databases, the combined Papertable feature saves you significant time and ensures you're accessing the most relevant literature available. Instead of sifting through hundreds of articles, you're presented with a curated list of high-priority papers, complete with relevant scores and justifications. In summary, this update exemplifies how AI can transform the research process, making it faster, more efficient, and more insightful. The second major feature I'd like to highlight is the integration of LibKey. This update significantly enhances your ability to access full-text research articles, even when they're not open access. Here's how you can take advantage of the LibKey integration. When you're browsing SciSpace papers or working within the literature review tool, simply search for any research paper of your choice. If the paper isn't available as open access, you'll notice an option to Get PDF. Clicking this gives you 2 choices. The first option, Request PDF from Others, is a feature that's been available for some time. It allows you to request the full-text PDF directly from other researchers, though this process can sometimes be time-consuming. The latest update, however, is the LibKey integration. With LibKey, you can instantly access the full-text PDF through your university's library repository, provided your institution has a subscription to the journal or database hosting the paper. To use this feature, simply click on the LibKey option, search for your university, for example, Oxford University, and select it from the list. You'll then be redirected to your university's repository, where you can log in with your institutional credentials to access the paper. As a research professional, I can't overstate the value of seamless access to full-text articles. This integration removes a significant barrier, allowing you to obtain the resources you need without unnecessary delays. Currently, LibKey integration is available on SciSpace Papers, the Literature Review tool, and the SciSpace Agent. Now, let's move on to the third major update, the introduction of faster columns in the Papertable feature. This enhancement is designed to make your research workflow even more dynamic and interactive. To get started, simply enter your research query. Let's use Generate a Literature Review on the Causes of Global Warming as an example. The SciSpace agent will immediately begin formulating a plan, outlining the research question, setting inclusion and exclusion criteria, and identifying which databases to search. You can even review and approve this plan before the search proceeds, giving you greater control over your research process. Once the plan is set, the agent starts searching across multiple databases to retrieve the most relevant papers. Here's where the new Faster Columns feature truly shines. As results begin to populate, say from the SciSpace database, you don't have to wait for the entire process to finish. You can start interacting with the shortlisted papers right away, even while the agent continues its search in the background. This means you can add or remove columns in the Papertable, customize the data you want to see, and gain additional insights on the fly. For example, you might want to add columns for results, publication year, or relevance score. The interface allows you to do this seamlessly without interrupting the ongoing search. If you need to pause the live activity, for instance to focus on analyzing a specific set of papers, you can do so at any time. The agent will pause its search, allowing you to explore, organize, and annotate the results as you see fit. Once you're ready, you can resume the live activity and continue gathering more papers. This update is particularly valuable for researchers working on complex or time-consuming queries, where the agent may take longer to compile results. By enabling real-time interaction with your data, the Faster Columns feature ensures that you can make the most of your time and tailor your research experience to your specific needs. In summary, the Faster Columns update brings a new level of flexibility and efficiency to the SciSpace Papertable, empowering you to interact with your research data as it's being collected. Let's move on to the fourth major update, third-party tools integration. This new feature significantly expands how you can manage and access your research materials within SciSpace. With the latest integration, you're no longer limited to uploading files solely from your local device. Now you can seamlessly attach documents directly from popular cloud services such as Google Drive, SharePoint, and OneDrive. Currently, Google Drive integration is fully operational, with others being rolled out progressively. To use this feature, simply navigate to the SciSpace homepage, click the plus icon, and select Google Drive from the drop-down menu. The first time you do this, you'll be prompted to grant permission for SciSpace to access your drive. Just follow the prompts to authorize. Once connected, you can use the file picker to select up to 10 files at a time from your cloud storage. In my case, I have 2 papers to select. After a brief moment for the files to attach, you're ready to go. From here, you can enter your research query and begin working directly with your cloud-based documents. For example, I often use SciSpace to generate summaries of academic papers stored in my Google Drive. Simply input your prompt, and the AI will produce a comprehensive summary, extracting key insights and highlighting the most important findings from your selected documents. This integration is a game changer for researchers who manage large collections of academic resources across multiple platforms. It streamlines your workflow, allowing you to access, analyze, and summarize your files without the hassle of manual downloads or uploads. In summary, the new third-party tools integration in SciSpace empowers you to work more efficiently with your academic materials no matter where they're stored. It's another step forward in making research more accessible, organized, and productive. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the latest citation updates in the SciSpace agent, an essential enhancement for anyone working with academic papers. Now when you upload your own paper and interact with it, whether you're summarizing, analyzing, or reviewing, you can easily check for citations within the document. The agent not only identifies the cited references, but also pinpoints exactly where each citation appears in your PDF. This makes it incredibly straightforward to locate the specific sections of your paper that reference other works, saving you valuable time during the review or editing process. Additionally, when you run a query in the agent, you can cite sources directly from the citation pop-up. Simply click on Cite choose your preferred citation style, and the agent will generate a properly formatted citation for you. You can then copy and paste this citation wherever you need it, whether it's for your bibliography, a presentation, or another research document. In summary, we've explored the 5 latest updates to SciSpace, including the powerful combined Papertable, seamless LibKey integration for full-text access, the dynamic faster columns feature, third-party cloud storage integration, and advanced citation tools. Each of these enhancements is designed to make your research process faster, smarter, and more efficient. If you're ready to experience these features for yourself, click the link in the description below to try SciSpace. Don't forget to use our special coupon code for an exclusive discount. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment with your thoughts or questions and subscribe to our channel for more AI-powered research tips and updates.